So Kyle is selling premium pineapples, not those green store-bought ones. Premium pineapples and mangoes to raise money for the wrestling team. Each pineapple is sold for $5.25, and each mango is sold for $2.10. After 4 weeks, Kyle has sold 190 items and collected a total of $626.20. We are asked to find the number of pineapples and the number of mangoes that Kyle sold. So, first of all, write a let statement. Well, since I know the cost of each mango and I know the cost of each pineapple, I'm going to say that my variable is going to represent how many of each I've sold, right? So the number of items. So I am going to say let P, I'll use the variable P be the number of pineapples, and I'm going to let M be the number of mangoes sold. All right, so I know what my variables are. I've got P, I have M. Let's move from there. I think I can make this pen a little bit thicker. So I'm told that I sold a total of 190 items. Some of them were pineapples, some of them were mangoes. So one of my equations certainly could be that P plus M, the number of pineapples plus the number of mangoes, equals 190 items sold. The other equation that I could write involves money, cash, right? Every single pineapple sold is worth $5.25 towards this total. So I can say $5.25 times each pineapple plus, and the mangoes are $2.10 for times each mango is a total of $676.20. Okay, sounds great. Now let's solve this system, right? So I'm looking at this and I think it would be relatively simple for me to get M or P alone in the first equation. I'm going to choose to take this top equation and get P alone. So the number of pineapples is 190 minus the number of mangoes. So this is a valid substitution for P, right? 190 minus M is equivalent to P. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use that substitution for P in my second equation. So this second equation is going to become $5.25 times 190 minus M plus 210M equals 676.20. Okay, so let's distribute this 525. So $5.25 times 190 is, woo, it's a lot. Really? Yeah. I have, that's 997.50 minus 5.25 M plus 2.10 M equals 676.20. All right, so running out of room here, but we're okay. I'm going to combine, I can combine the two values of M, right? Negative 5.25 and positive 210. So I've got negative 5.25 plus 210. That's going to give me negative, oops, not in red ink. That's going to give me negative 3.15 M. And also at the same time, I'm going to subtract this 997.5 from both sides. So I'll take the 676.2 and subtract from that 997.5, and I get negative I get negative 321.30. Okay. So now I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3.15. So I've got the negative 321.30 divided by 3.15 gives me M is positive 102. So apparently the number of mangoes sold is 102 mangoes. And if I come in and I take 190 and I subtract that number of mangoes, that's what's going to give me the number of pineapples, right? That's just using this equation right here. So the pineapples should be 88. Now I want to check both things, right, before I jump on and move on to the next equation. So let me go ahead and grab the calculator and go ahead and check both of these things. Where's the calculator? Here's the calculator. So I know that these have to add up to 190, and sure enough, 88 plus 102 is exactly 190. So one of the conditions is met. The other condition that has to be met is 525 for every pineapple plus 210 for every mango has to add up to this amount of money. So I'm going to take the pineapples, which is 88, and I'm going to multiply that by $5.25 each, plus I've got 210 times the number of mangoes, and the mangoes was 102. Now, if we're correct, this should be $676.20, and it is. So I'm very happy at this point to say that the number of pineapples sold is 88 pineapples, and the number of mangoes sold is 102.